Right now I'm gonna quickly show you the maximum camera zoom of the Redmi Note 14S. So I will open this camera application real quick and I will show you the maximum zoom on this RAM stick right here. So you can see that these details are like very small, all of these components right here. So I'll put it on this desk right here and grab the phone, and I will slowly increase the zoom and you will see the difference. So as you are increasing this zoom, we are now at times 10 zoom right here, and it's already pretty clear and nicely zoomed in. And as we increase the zoom more and more, as you can see, the maximum amount of the zoom on this phone is times 20. And as you can see, we have all of these nice details right here. Let me put this right here. Alright, and this should be visible more clearly. All of these details right here with this times 20 zoom. So yeah, this is the quick answer for you. The Redmi Note 14S, the maximum zoom has of around times 20.